Well, once again, as we start off the week, we've been talking about wind chill, and the wind chill is going to be a word you're going to hear over the coming days. Now, exactly what is the wind chill? Because you're going to hear a lot about it. It's what it feels like when you walk outside as the wind hits your skin. The air temperature can be in the teens and 20s as they have been, but when the wind hits you, it makes it feel a lot colder than it is. That's because the wind pulls the heat away from your body, again, removing the body heat and again making you feel colder than you are, lowers your body temperature. This can lead to frostbite faster and can affect you and also your pets. So when it comes to the cold weather, here's some tips for you. Of course, dress in layers, wear your hat and gloves or mittens. Sometimes goggles or glasses, sunglasses can help as well. As the wind, hits your face, it can help you. Keep your pets indoors if, of course, they are vulnerable to the cold. And limit your time outside, especially if you're someone that has some health risks when it comes to the cold, or older people and also younger infants and toddlers when it comes to these really cold temperatures and these brutal wind chills. Working for you, I'm 20 Storm Team Meteorologist Chris Bouzakis.